Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a solar power bank, and this one here is heavy, so it's got a lot. It's got 45,800. It's gonna like power anything, I think. I mean, usually you're gonna get like 5,000, so this is like way more than that. So this will probably charge my iPhone like 20 times or something. But let's check it out here and see what it's got. So here we go. So it's got, I'll show you all the different pieces and parts and kind of explain it. So this is what it looks like here. It's got a solar panel, so you could leave it outside if you're somewhere. It looks like I've got 4 dots here, so it looks like I am already charged. Back here, if we open it up, we have a hand crank, so we can, if we're really desperate and we don't have sun, we can crank it up this way to get it charged. We can do it through here. We have our USB connector here. If we can open this up, let me see. It's probably waterproof, that's why it's got that, but you can see it's got all these different connectors here. I can probably connect it into like USB-C to charge it and everything like that. Then we have a couple of USB ports. We have some lights up here. Let's see, where's the button here? Let's see how we get those on. Yep, hold down the button there to turn those lights on. And those are pretty bright. You can kind of see when I'm shining it in there. We've got some flashing lights, fast flashing lights, and then off. And I check this out over here. We have built in, we have our connectors. So we have a micro USB there. We have, this is going to be USB-C. You can tell by just looking at what it is. And a lightning connector. And I don't even know what this one is. I don't know, but it'll connect that. So it's kind of cool. It's got all those, and it's got a MagSafe charging port there too. So it's got like everything there. Got a little compass over on here. Got a place for a little string, which I think a carabiner. Came with a little carabiner, so we can hook up our carabiner onto that as well. So it's got like everything you need here for powering up anything. And at 48, whatever it was, 48.5, I think it said, 45,800. This is going to be able to charge everything for a really long time. So this is a great little security device to just have around. Comes with its own little charging cable here. So if you have a USB-C block, which I have several, you can just plug it into there and then plug it into the those USB port there and to charge it that way if you didn't want to wait for the sun, because I'm guessing it would take a long time. But how cool is this? This is a great little block here, and this will be going with me on any camping trip or anywhere. I'm actually going to keep it here at home too for emergency sake. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.